Hello everyone, this is Ron with Summit Learning and Technology. I was recently asked by a customer if we can build custom versions of our courseware. The simple answer to this question is yes. Before I jump into how we do that, it's worth pointing out the reason we can do it and the way in which we do it is completely attributable to the fact that all of our content is authored in an LCMS, Learning Content Management System. In an LCMS, we're managing assemblies of learning content. So every paragraph, every image, every list, every step action table is literally an element in the database that we can manage, assemble, and reuse as necessary. So in this example, the customer wanted a streamlined version of one of our original publications, Autodesk Inventor Inside and Out. This publication in traditional printed form is well over 1,000 pages. It covers all of the fundamentals involved in using Autodesk Inventor, including sheet metal design. Unfortunately, this is not something that can be done or covered in a traditional 4 or 5 day instructor-led training session. So this customer needed to streamline this course and also needed to reorder the sections and the sequence in which the topics were being taught. So this was very easy for us to accomplish, and what I'm going to show you is a demonstration of how we do that. So the first order of business is to create an assembly for the customer's course. And this assembly is essentially a copy of the original course where we are linking in all of the modules or chapters. And you'll notice that each of these modules have a link icon indicating that it is indeed linked to another assembly. The benefit to this is next year when we update the original content, the updates will also be automatically applied to this customer's assembly. And all we need to do is republish the course and they will get access to all the updated content, and the order and everything else will remain the same. So let's jump right in. I'm going to go to the customer's assembly. And the first thing that I'm going to do is get rid of all of the sheet metal content. So it's important to note that here I'm just removing the instances of these chapters in this particular assembly. I'm not actually deleting the content. Next thing that this customer wanted to do is place the chapter or module for assembly modeling further down in the course so that it occurred potentially on day 3 or 4. So that's easy enough. We're just going to drag this down underneath documenting parts. At this point, the structure is complete. The next thing that I want to do is basically save the course. And then now all I need to do is republish it. And this time I'm going to publish it to the customer's custom output. So if we go back while that's publishing, we'll take a look and see if the original Inside and Out course was over 900 pages and has a color scheme of this orange color and the Summit L&T logo. Here we can see that assembly modeling or working in assemblies is the second chapter, and this course also contains all of the sheet metal content, something that the customer doesn't need in their instructor-led training. Let's go back to the new course. We can see that it has been republished with the customer's custom title, and the page count has been significantly reduced. You'll also notice that the color scheme has gone from a gold color or orange color to green. You'll notice also that the second chapter is now creating parametric parts. And the Summit logo has been replaced with the customer's logo, and working with assemblies or working in assemblies now falls later in the course at in this case, page 392. And that's essentially how we build custom courses for our customers. If you have a need for custom courseware for your instructor-led training courses, don't hesitate to give us a call. We'd be happy to help.